Rule number 3. Now here, okay, in order to change from singular to plural, now you have to be careful. Words that end with the letter Y. Okay, what we do is we drop the letter Y or we erase the letter Y and we add IES to change it into plural. Okay, for example, party. The word party ends with the letter Y. In order to change it into plural, what do? We erase the letter Y and instead of Y, we write IES. This is how it changes into plural. The same thing with fly, flies. Army, armies. City, cities. Duty, duties. Family, families. Pony, ponies. Penny, pennies. Daisy, daisies. Baby, babies. Country, countries. Fly, flies. Lady, ladies. Reply, replies. Spy, spies. Gallery, galleries. Now rule number 4 and rule number 5. Now first let's go to rule number 4. Okay? Now to words that end with the letter F or FE, what we do is we drop the letter, or in other words, we erase the letter F or FE and in its place we add VES. This is how we change from singular to plural. For example, the word half, 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 right? When we want to change it into plural, what we do is we drop away the letter F and in its place we write HALVES, halves. Okay? Same thing with the letter knife, with the word knife. Spelling is KNIFE. Can you see it ends with FE? So the same thing, we drop the letters FE or we erase the letter FE and in its place we write VES. So it becomes KNIVES, knives. So this is how we change, okay, from singular to plural. Do you understand? Now let's go to rule 5. Now for rule number 5, okay, let's take the example of a tomato. Now the word tomato, does it end with O? Yes, it does. Now before the word O, what word comes? T, yes or no? So T, is it a vowel or is it a consonant? It's a consonant. So because T is a consonant, okay, what we do is, in order to change it into plural, we just add the word ES to it. You understand? So, can you see in the singular form, the word tomato spells TOMATO. But when we change it into plural, we add ES to the word. It becomes TOMATOES, tomatoes. So my dear children, you have to be very careful how to change from singular to plural. Okay, you have to follow these rules. Now remember that words that end in O, okay, and the word before O, the letter before O, if it's a consonant, then we have to add ES to change it into plural. For example, tomato, tomatoes. Cargo, cargoes. Echo, echoes. Volcano, volcanoes. Mango, mangoes. Hero, heroes. Torpedo, torpedoes. Now here we are going to learn the last rule. Okay? We are going to learn rule number 6. Now sometimes a word may stay the same both in its singular and plural form. Okay, now here let us look as to which are the following words that do not change, okay, when we change it into plural. For example, one fish, many fish. One tuna, two tunas. One deer, two deer. One moose, two moose. One trout, two trout. One sheep, two sheep. One series, two series. Now notice that these words fish, tuna, deer, moose, trout, sheep and series, they do not change. We don't need to add anything to them when we change them into the plural form. Okay? Now and remember, some nouns, okay, they have different plurals. These are known as irregular nouns. Now the word changes when the word changes in its plural form. Okay. For example, the word child changes when we change it into plural. So from child it changes into children, man, men, tooth, teeth, foot, feet, woman, women, mouse, mice. So some words, okay, they have different plurals. Okay, we don't need to add anything, we don't need to drop or erase anything, but simply the words changes when when they change into a plural. Thank you, my dear students, for watching this video. I hope you will remember the different rules. Okay? Now don't be afraid that you might forget how to change from singular to plural, but keep following, keep practicing in your rough exercise or in your exercise. Next week I'm going to give you a few exercise of singular and plural nouns. Okay? So I want you to do well. Don't be afraid to make a mistake. Okay? I'm here to help you. So thank you once again and have a good day.